Hey guys, it's Steven with Foxtrot Family Law. We are going to talk about an interesting, kind of sad, maybe even kind of funny, years from now when you're past all of this and enjoying time with your children. Uh, but that is getting back your stuff from someone's place that you've got a child with that you're not married to. You can actually file as part of your child custody, paternity, visitation, child support case, assuming you're not married and it's not marital property, which is a different subject entirely. Let's say you bought the expensive big screen. You've got a nice desk, you've got nice furniture, you bought a nice bedroom suite at your girlfriend's and child's mother's or boyfriend's and child's father's apartment, and you've had to move out and move back into your parents' place and hold down the fort for a while until you get your own place, but you've got thousands of dollars worth of stuff at the other side's house. It's a little bit trickier than in a divorce because, like I said, that's marital property. Here in this situation, that's just somebody off the street, legally speaking, that's got your stuff. You happen to have been in a romantic relationship with them. You happen to even have a child or children with them. So what can you do legally about your stuff? Keep in mind that none of this is specific to any particular case. But what you have the option to do and what might be helpful for you to learn, because this is something that I didn't know until I went to law school. I mean, people just walking around don't know this, that there is a civil claim for someone taking or unlawfully withholding your stuff, and it's called conversion. And depending on the judge, it's actually a civil claim that you can file independently of the family court system, even if you didn't have any family court case at all. Now, as part of a compulsory counterclaim or a compulsory claim, and I don't want to get too far into the legalities of that, it's something you do need to bring up to the court, and maybe your lawyer needs to bring up to the court in your child custody, paternity, visitation, child support action. You need to bring up the conversion claim, like they have converted your stuff to their stuff wrongfully. And the judge, at his or her discretion, can address that issue. And we've done it. We've had motorcycles that we had to get back. We've had, what else? Clothes. I mean, if we hadn't gotten it, was one of those things like, what would we have really done if we don't get back maybe a couple $100 worth of old sweatshirts and stuff? But maybe you speak about old sweatshirts. Maybe some of that stuff has sentimental value. And even if the sweatshirt is destroyed or lost or otherwise, yeah, maybe you can get a judgment for that. But really, you just want that old sweatshirt from when you were on the dance line or the football team or whatever in high school or college that still fits, or that you at least just can't seem to get rid of. So there actually is a procedure for trying to get your stuff back from the other side in a child custody case. It is a separate claim though. Like, you might even address it in the same case, but keep in your mind that this is a separate claim from everything you're trying to do for your family. But you are not without recourse. You are not without remedy. You don't have to just chalk it up to the game that your stuff is gone. At least not going down without a fight. So we wish you the best of luck. We're here to help if you need us. If you found this helpful, you can like, comment, or subscribe below. We hope you follow our pages here at Foxtrot Family Law on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, etc., and can stay in the loop on this and other helpful general information in the world of child custody. So thanks, and we look forward to following up soon.